In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform and submit a field testing request. Go to OnRamp and on the search ribbon, type Materials Lab. I hit the search magnifier button. Choose D12 Materials Lab link. Scroll down to Field Testing tab and click on it. Click on Download Field Testing Request Form link. This will download the most recent version of the field test request PDF file in a cabinet folder. Go to your Downloads folder and locate the zip folder that you just downloaded. You open the cabinet folder by double-clicking on the folder. Right-click on the PDF file and click on Copy. Go to your desktop or any destination location that you want this file to be located on your device and paste it. Double-click on the PDF file to open the live field testing request form. Start by selecting the type of the test you want to request. In this example, we are going to request making 12 PCC cylinders, size 4x8, to be made on the field and to break each 3 of them at separate time frames. Click on PCC and Other Tests choice. This will highlight the Select Test drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu arrow and select CT540 from the available options. On the Portland Cement Concrete section, the field for entering compressive strength will be highlighted for you now. Enter your required compressive strength value and click Tab. You may also use your mouse pointer to go to the next empty required fields, which is the total number of cylinders to be fabricated. Enter the total number of cylinders that you want. In this example we want 12. Continue to next empty field. Enter the number of cylinders to break in each break schedule. Now select the size of the cylinders. In this example we'll select 4x8. Enter, or choose the values for the hours or days for the cylinders to break. In this example, we have total of 12 cylinders to break 3 on each break schedule, therefore we must provide 4 separate time frames on break schedule section. Enter the rest of the required fields for your request, such as request date, time, resident engineer's log number, and so on. For the request date, select the date that you want these cylinders to be made on, by clicking on the calendar drop-down menu. Enter the request time in a 24-hour format. 2 digits hours, and 2 digits minutes. Once you're satisfied with all the required fields that you have entered, click on the Submit button to submit your request. This will open the warning window that asks you if you are sure to submit your form. If you click No, it will allow you to edit the request furthermore. Once you're satisfied with all the required fields that you have entered, click on the Submit button to submit your request. Only for the first time that you are using this PDF form, the system will ask you to choose your default email app. For your convenience, click on Remember My Choice and click Continue. This will open your Outlook email and automatically attaches your request to the email that is ready to be routed to us. Add any additional people that you wish to be on the emails loop in the CC field. Make any changes you wish on the body of the email and click on Send. When exiting Adobe Acrobat program, make sure you save your work for your records. On behalf of the D12 Materials Lab, we thank you for your attention and want to assure you that we are here to serve you with all your valuable requests in the most accurate, professional, and efficient manner.